Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 says 2x plus 3 equals 11. So to solve this, we're going to follow our 4-step plan that we went over in a previous video. We had a memory trick to help us remember the steps. It said 8 fish swam silently above octopi dancing cheerfully. And that stood for step 1, eliminate fractions, step 2, simplify sides, step 3, add opposites, and step 4, divide by the coefficient. So we'll go through each step. First, I notice there's no fractions in the problem, so that step is finished. If I look at the left side and the right side of the equation separated by the equal sign, both sides are simplified, so that step is done. Now I want to isolate the variable term 2x, and so I'm going to add the opposite. So the opposite of 3 is negative 3, so I'll add negative 3 to both sides. Positive 3 minus 3 is 0, or as some people say, it cancels out. 0 plus 2x is 2x. On the right side, I have 11 minus 3, which is 8. Last step, I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient in order to make it 1. Since it's a coefficient of 2, I will divide both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, or as some people say, it cancels out, leaving me with 1x, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So x equals 4.